with all of that tree cutting over there. What is it, rooster? Got a deer right there. What is it, rooster? Let's see if I can get a different angle. There he goes. Now he's gonna walk on out. There's Rooster. Bruce. They see him. And chickens see the deer. And they're making friends with him. He's just beyond that blue bucket or blue barrel. Dang, there's actually two of them. There's one right there. There's one right there. And one right there. Two of them. So far. I think the one over here, right there, he was over here a while ago. I didn't see them. They're on that back trail. There's a back trail. I think I put that in some videos about a year or two back. But yeah, all the tree cutting is over here on the other side of that pond down there. They hadn't made it close enough to where I can see them or anything, but all that racket and sawing and tree falling and stuff, it's moving animal life closer to us. And the chickens, they're like, oh, I ain't never seen one of you before. What are you? Deer. That one there sees me. My camera, this camera doesn't zoom as good as my other one did. If I zoom it all the way in, it's more like pixelated. This is more for like vlogging and up close stuff. If it's beyond them trees right there, I can't. That one there's just standing there looking at me. He hears me. Sure ain't skittish. Shoo-wee. Those are younglings. Young deer. Figured by probably this afternoon or tomorrow, they are going to be getting quite close to the pond, because there is a lot of pine trees right across here. That's pretty tall ones. Rooster's like, well, I'm used to them deer. I see them all the time. He's just standing there still. All them hunters, most hunting shows you ever see them watch a hunting show on TV, the guy's always whispering and he's like, "Hey, there's a deer down there. I'm waiting for him to walk out." Man, you can talk just normal and anything. That deer right there, see him moving, wagging his tail. I mean, they ain't on no alert. They're used to it. If you're able to see it, it's right there, right at the tip of my finger there. I would say he's about 40 yards. There he goes. And they're not running, they're just walking off. Normal. If they alert, they'll blow at you, they'll go like that and then run. But he ain't running. Probably see him walk down this back trail here. Probably the thing is, they can hear me, they just can't see me. I'm up under this on the back screen-in porch. But if there's any more action going on with the tree cutting business back over there that's closer to where you can actually see a tractor or some kind of machine move and everything and grab the tree, and you'll see that cut the tree and then the tree just goes screech. That'd be cool to watch how they work. That's how your paper, school paper, all kinds of products come from wood, from that wood. Even this for building houses, well, that's where all that comes from. Lumber mill. Your hardwood floor that you want to lay down in your house or something, most of that now is like laminate, like prosthetic wood. But far as this goes, this is real wood. Well, that's it for the deer. I guess they're gone.